Hi, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to Body Grinding Fitness Show. Today's the workout is only for intensive of the yoga flow weight loss workout. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please do this asanas and the best of luck. Thank you for viewers and thank you. Full breathe in and slowly breathe out. 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds. Maximum clockwise. 20, 19, 18, 17 ma'am. 16 clockwise, 15 anti-clockwise and again anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise 2, 3, anti-clockwise 4, 5, anti-clockwise 6, like this, 7, 8, 9, yes ma'am, 10 ma'am. Okay, stretch and outside. Yes, stretch like this, body looks right. Looks right ma'am. Ma'am, don't turn your face. Always look straight. Yes ma'am. Stretch your body only. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7 ma'am, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more ma'am. And change another side ma'am. And change another side. 10 ma'am. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. And keep your hands ma'am. Stretch your hands up. Hands up. Body always keep your always straight. Yes ma'am. Just stretch your body and stretch. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7 ma'am. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more ma'am. And again stretch another side ma'am. Another side. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. Yes ma'am. 1 second. Please, just take ma'am. Just clockwise ma'am. Clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Only one more ma'am. Left to right ma'am. Stretch ma'am. Left to right slowly. Left to right stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, and only stretch, only on one side stretch, like 10 seconds stretch. Stretch these muscles, complete stretch ma'am. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ma'am. Change another side ma'am. Change another side. Body always keep your body always straight. 10 seconds ma'am. 9, 8, 7 ma'am. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Keep your legs ma'am. Yes ma'am. Like this. Yes, 20, 19, 18, come on ma'am, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11 ma'am, 10 ma'am, 9 ma'am, 8, 7 ma'am, 6 ma'am, 5 ma'am, 4, 3, 2, only one more ma'am. Stop ma'am. Yes ma'am, stop ma'am. And come on, ready. Keep your legs ma'am. Yes. Hands up. And forward bend ma'am, like this, forward bend and stretch complete down ma'am, body complete down and stretch your body. Take the full breathe in and slowly breathe out. Take full breathe in ma'am, 1:2 ratio, breathe out, slowly breathe out ma'am, like this ma'am. First squeeze and slowly down, squeeze and slowly down, squeeze and slowly down, like this, squeeze and slowly down now. Squeeze and slowly down. Yes ma'am. Squeeze and slowly down. Yes ma'am. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 ma'am. 4, 3, 2, only one more ma'am. Yes ma'am. Stop ma'am. Clockwise ma'am. Clockwise. 10, 9, clockwise. 8, 7, clockwise. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more ma'am. Keep your hand body stretch now, like this body stretch. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Keep your right hand is, ma'am. Keep your right hand is inside of the left leg. Left hand. Inside of the left hand. Come on, ma'am. Yes. 10 seconds. 9, ma'am. Stretch your body. 8, 7, ma'am. 6, 5, ma'am. 4, 3, 2. One more, ma'am. Yes. Relax, ma'am. Stretch your leg, ma'am. Right leg is stretch. Right leg is stretch. Stretch your right leg. Yes, stretch your right leg. Just a 10 seconds. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up and down. Up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, ma'am. Yes, keep your hands, ma'am. Here. Leg support. Middle of the hand, ma'am. Middle of the hand. Leg. Middle of the hand. And get up. Hanumanasana. Like this Hanumanasana. Back side stretch, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Slowly down, ma'am. Slowly down, ma'am. Leg is forward split towards forward, ma'am. Split towards forward split. Maximum split. ఎంతవరకు స్పిట్ అవుతా అంతవరకు స్పిట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎస్ చూస్ డూ యువర్ లెవెల్ మ్యామ్. ఎస్ 10 seconds మ్యామ్. 9, 8, 7, maximum 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 మ్యామ్. Now is peacock stretch మ్యామ్. Up and down మ్యామ్. And forward like this మ్యామ్. Hanumanasana. Yes, ma'am. Split your leg, ma'am. Split your leg. Split your leg. Split your leg, ma'am. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, ma'am. Next is only for like this, ma'am. Peacock stretch, ma'am. Peacock stretch. Yes, ma'am. Peacock stretch. Okay, ma'am. Ari, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Write this. Okay, ma'am. Mountain, ma'am. Mountain. Mountain to Indian dips, ma'am. Mountain to Indian dips. Take the knees down. Complete like this, ma'am. Like 15 times. 15 times, ma'am. Yes. 15 times, ma'am. Like this Indian dips, ma'am. 15 times. Maximum come on, ready, good, ma'am. Take full breath in and mountain. First mountain inside of the hands. Inside of the hands. Get up. Get up. Get up. 15 times, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. Same position, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. Like this, ma'am. Same position. Keep your hand, ma'am. Right hand is stretched. Right hand is stretched. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, ma'am. 6, 5, ma'am. 4, 3. Yes, ma'am. 2. Only one more, ma'am. Change another side, ma'am. Change another side. Take the support and do it. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, ma'am. Yes, now is the both our legs, both our hands, ma'am. Touch the back side. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ma'am. 8, 9, 10, ma'am. Like this position, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 10 times now. 10 times. Yes, ma'am. 10 times, ma'am. Mountain. Head inside and down. Yes, like this. Yes, ma'am. 10 times, ma'am. Complete 10 times. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Adi, ma'am. Keep your hands, ma'am. Open, ma'am. Keep your right leg is, ma'am. Right leg is right hand outside, ma'am. Right leg is right hand outside. And stretch. And stretch, ma'am. Head up. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ma'am. And down. And down, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Down, ma'am. Only push-ups, ma'am. 1. Push-ups run. 2. Push-ups run. 3. Nice, come on, ma'am. 4 push-ups. 5 push-ups. 6 push-ups. 7 push-ups. 8 push-ups. 9 push-ups. 10 push-ups. Yes, ma'am. Only for 10. Very good, ma'am. Open your little bit hands. Open, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Stop, ma'am. Stop, ma'am. Again. Right leg back side, ma'am. Now is another leg, ma'am. Another leg. Another leg. Keep your left leg is forward, ma'am. Yes. Right should up. And hand should be up. Head also up. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, ma'am. 6, 5, ma'am. 4, 3, 2. Only one more, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Down, ma'am. 9 push-ups. 1. Yes, 2, 3. Push-ups, ma'am. 4, 5. Very good, ma'am. 6. Super, ma'am. 7, 8, 9. Yes, ma'am. 10. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Just mountain, ma'am. Mountain. Keep your right leg is up, ma'am. Keep your right leg is up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Leg forward, ma'am. Leg forward. Wait. Good. Chusta. Leg forward, ma'am. Up. Hands up. Virabhadrasana. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, ma'am. And down, ma'am. And down. Yes, ma'am. Again, mountain, ma'am. Mountain, left leg. Yes, ma'am. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Left leg is stretched, ma'am. Left leg is up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ma'am. And left leg is forward. Yes, little bit up. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ma'am. Slowly down, ma'am. Slowly down, ma'am. Little bit up, ma'am. Up, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Rotated. Up and down, ma'am. Rotated. 1. Back turn. 2, 3. Yes, ma'am. 4. Yes, ma'am. Up. Next is take the support and only hip raising, ma'am. Only hip raising. Take the support and hip raising. Yes, ma'am. Slowly bend your knee. Legs, ma'am. Touch the ground. Touch the ground, ma'am. Ready, ma'am? Just lay down, ma'am. Like this, lay down. Take the support and put your legs up and both the legs like this, ma'am. Swing. Yes. Swing and get up. Swing and get up. Like this. Swing and get up. Like this 10 times, ma'am. Yes. 10, ma'am. Yes. After that, same, ma'am. Put your legs. Take the support and do it. Take the common support. Yes, ma'am. Put your hip support. And keep your legs straight. Yes, ma'am. Up. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ma'am. Maximum backside leg stretch, ma'am. After that, 10 seconds after that, backside leg stretch. Touch, ma'am. Choose your level, ma'am. Yes. Yes, like this, ma'am. Hold it. Just a simple 2 things, ma'am. So best results. And after that, put your legs, ma'am, like this, and take the support. Yes, ma'am. So left leg is straight, ma'am. Left leg is straight. Complete left leg is straight.